Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you link Instagram to Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you guys gotta make sure that you have both the Facebook app and the Instagram app installed in your phone, so that way there won't be any delays in this. Otherwise you'll have to go to your browser, log in, and yeah. So first of all, we're gonna open up our Instagram and then we're gonna go to our profile section. Next, once we're here, we're going to press on the top three bars that we see on the top right, and then we're going to go to settings. Once we're on the settings, what we want to do is we want to go to account. Coming to account, you will see a bunch of different options, and what am I looking for here? Yeah, sharing to other apps. I come to sharing to other apps, and now you can see my Facebook is linked here. If I were supposed to link any other thing, such as Twitter, it will take me to the Twitter's sign in, and then I can sign in there, and that way I can link whatever I want. So we have a bunch of different things that we can link. The process is the same, but in order to do the Facebook, you can just tap on the Facebook and you can select the account, and then that is all. And once you've selected that, you can also you have this automatically share feature where you can automatically share your Instagram posts and stories. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.